We are now at the end of row 2A, which is the first row where we used the front post double crochet. I'm about to do the last front post double crochet on this row, this round. 1 chain, 1 front post double crochet, and then 1 chain. You can join however you want to, but I'm just showing you in case you are interested how I do it. To join the ending and beginning of this round, I take out the hook. You can see that this is the first double crochet of this round, the chain. So it's this stitch here that I'm interested in. Hook, sorry, this is actually the second. This is the standing double crochet of this round. So back to front, hook the loop onto the hook and pull it through to the back. Now I want to end this round, as with all the rounds, by doing the next standing double crochet and leave it there. So pull enough of a loop as you would do with any standing double crochet, twist and do a front post double crochet, pull through 2, wiggle a little bit to adjust and distribute the yarn evenly, pull through so that you have it in readiness for when you come back to this round, this new round, and leave it on a little marker pin so that it doesn't unravel. As always, this will become the inactive color and it goes to the front of the work. This is just, you do this so that it becomes automatic and you don't have to think about it. It also helps when your work gets longer. If you want to, you can pin this loop down to the front so that it doesn't get in your way. Then to the next color, row 3B. We already have in preparation a standing DC that's already ready. So take out the little marker, 1 chain, and then a front post double crochet, and you carry on this way for row 3B. This is pretty much going to be how you're going to work this simple brioche crochet rib style as you do your little beanie. That's it.